With passing age, it is normal to have sagging breasts, but, in many cases, women at young age face this issue too. Some of the reasons include drastic weight loss, menopause, multiple pregnancies, certain illness such as tuberculosis or breast cancer, smoking, poorly fitted bra and breastfeeding. But with some preventive measures and natural cure, you can regain the firmness of your sagging breasts. Here we have listed 10 best tips that will help you to fix saggy boobs. 10. Olive oil massage. Rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, olive oil helps to fight against free radicals. Massaging with olive oil on your breasts stimulates blood circulation, improves skin texture and helps to repair damaged cells. For this, take a few drops of olive oil in your palm and rub it gently to warm it. Now, apply it on your breasts in upward motion and massage for about 15 minutes. You can follow the procedure every day before bed. 9. Egg whites. The astringent, hydrolipids and skin-nourishing properties of egg whites make it a perfect fit for the sagging breast issues. For this, take 1 egg white and beat it till you get a foamy texture. Now apply it onto your breasts in an upward direction. Leave it for about half an hour. Then rinse it off with cold water. 8. Cucumber and egg yolk mask. While egg yolk is rich in protein and vitamins, cucumber is rich in antioxidants such as A-carotene, B-carotene, and lutein that repairs damaged cells. Overall, this mask forms a healthier, firm breast. For this, blend half of a cucumber and add 1 egg yolk to it. Mix it well and apply the mixture onto your breasts in upward direction. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Then wash it off thoroughly with cold water. Repeat once a week for that perky breasts. 7. Ice massage. The coldness of ice helps to contract breast tissues, making it firmer. Ice massaging is simple yet effective remedies to tighten your sagging breasts. For this, take 2 ice cubes and gently massage them around each of your breasts in a circular motion for 1 minute. Then wipe it off with a clean soft towel and wear a fitting bra. Repeat daily 2 to 3 times for best result. Note, do not exceed more than a minute while massaging with ice as it can cause numbness. 6. Fenugreek paste. Fenugreek helps to regain firmness as it is enriched with vitamins and antioxidants. It helps to fight against free radical damage and tighten skin around the breasts. For this, take about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. Mix it with water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste onto your breasts in upward direction. Massage gently in circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Repeat twice a week for best results. 5. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that combats damage caused by harmful free radicals. It also improves collagen production, which aids to lift sagging breasts. For this, take a fresh aloe plant and extract the gel part. Massage your breasts with the gel in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. Repeat daily to see the magical result.
4. Shea butter.
Shea butter helps to fight against damage caused by harmful free radicals. The vitamin E content in it helps to tighten your breasts. For this, take some amount of shea butter in your hand. Gently rub to heat it. Then massage it on your breasts in an upward motion. Rinse off after 10 minutes. Repeat 3 to 4 times a week. 3. Exercise. Adding pectoral exercises to your daily routine also helps to add firmness to your breasts. Some common pectoral exercises include push-ups, bench presses, arm curls. These exercises help to strengthen muscles underneath your breasts.
2. Body posture.
Your body posture has an impact on the appearance of your breasts. A good posture such as keeping your back straight and your shoulders back helps to support ligaments and muscles around your breasts, making it firmer. While bad postures such as lowering your shoulders and hunching forward tend to put more pressure on your breast tissue, resulting in saggy breasts. Hence, incorporate the habit of good posture to prevent sagging breasts. 1. Use special bras. One of the overlooked reasons behind the sagging breasts is the use of improper bras. You should be quite careful while choosing a bra. There are special bras in the market that comes with a strong support holder at the cup bottoms. Such bras are quite helpful to reduce strain or stress on your breast areas. It helps to lift your breast and keep it firm. So, is your physical appearance being hindered due to saggy boobs? Then it's time that you implement above remedies.